Namaste Friends. I am Ritesh and today I will be introducing you to a muscle that's very important. Did you know that you can simultaneously improve your posture, stabilize your knee and hip joint, and especially relieve your lower back pain by engaging this muscle? I mean the tushi, or also known as your buttocks, also known as your gluteus maximus. Along with the deeper glute muscle, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus is the most important. If we don't, that is quite often the case, the result is joint problems as well as overdeveloped and tight hamstrings. Friends, these two smaller, deeper muscle, that is your glute medius and minimus, make up more of your side butt and are responsible for leg abduction and internal and external rotation of your femur. Yoga is a great way to strengthen all three of the glute muscle and keep them supple. Maximizing the strength of your glute muscle it's not only about looking great in your yoga pants or the Lululemon pants. Often the backside is incredibly important for hip stability and proper posture. All the balancing standing postures in yoga helps you to strengthen the glute medius. Now, how does this glute medius cause a lower back pain? And that's one of the important thing as yoga teachers we need to understand. So tight or a weak glute medius can cause your QL, what is QL? Quadratus lumborum, to take over a job that it wasn't designed for, leading for a lower back pain. Now the QL is a deep muscle in your lower back. It runs from your hip to a lumbar vertebrae and up to a lowest rib. It is used when you bend at the waist to one side and once you are straightening your back after bending down. But what does this have to do with your glute medius? Well, if you have a tight, weak or a painful glute medius, whatever the cause, your QL, that is your quadratus lumborum, will take over the role in abduction when walking. This means your QL does a job it wasn't designed for, which puts excessive stress on your lower back. That's just one example of how your glute medius can cause lower back pain. Attempting to treat your lower back pain with stretching or even a massage can provide some relief. But unless the underlying cause, the glute medius, is also dealt with, it will only be a temporary relief. So now, why does the glute medius become weak? Well, we know the glute medius muscle becomes weak due to increased sitting and sedentary lifestyle, as we all know. Sitting too often can increase hip flexor tightness and reduce glute muscle strength. It is very essential to add regular strengthening and mobility exercises for this muscle group as a part of your yogic sequence. Now, what is the pain in your glute medius? A glute medius is commonly felt along your belt line. Although the cause of your lower back pain can be gluteus medius. You might not feel any pain here, the glute medius, but if the muscle is just weak or tight, you will probably won't realize there is an issue with it. This is because your QL is doing the work instead, but it's doing work it was not designed for. And that is the reason your back hurts. So now how to treat your lower back pain in the next videos with asanas and other forms of exercise. Just try to ponder over it, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Namaste.